On today's menu, 2 amazing recipes you can whip up in no time. Matcha and chocolate Dalgona latte.
Layhoma, I'm Yeung. Welcome to my channel where I help you cook with confidence. Now, if you haven't already, you can check out my amazing vegan ramen cookbook, because if you like drinks like this, you'll definitely find some creative drinks like this matcha latte or a delicious taro milk tea. If you'd like to learn more about this book, you can click the link above or a link in the description box below. Now, if you checked out my other episode on the Dalgona coffee, you'll see how delicious this recipe really is. But if you don't drink coffee, you can also make it with an amazing matcha, and we're also going to make an amazing chocolate version. Make sure you get a good quality, full-fat can of coconut milk, and it'll also help if you put it in the fridge because it'll help the coconut cream rise to the top of the can.
One cup coconut cream, 3 tablespoons cane sugar, pinch of pink salt.
This is amazing Japanese matcha.
Sift 2 teaspoons of matcha to prevent clumps. Two tablespoons hot water. Whisk until frothy.
So basically using the same portion as my espresso version of the Dalgona coffee.
Matcha. Whisk on high for 2 minutes.
Look at that. Beautiful.
Fill a cup with ice. Coconut or almond milk, 3/4 of the way.
Look at that amazing matcha foam.
Sprinkle of matcha.
That is literally it. Now, on to the chocolate.
1 cup coconut cream. 3 tablespoons cane sugar. Pinch of pink salt. Sift 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder. Two tablespoons hot water. Whisk on high for 2 minutes. Fill a cup with ice. Pour your coconut or almond milk 3/4 of the way.
Be generous with that amazing chocolate foam.
Cocoa powder. You can now whip up these 2 delicious drinks with absolute confidence.
I mean, that is a real treat. Get some straws in there, because this foam, or this whipped kind of latte, is quite thick. It really tastes like, literally tastes like a matcha latte, but a different way of enjoying it, because you got this really nice, luscious, thick foam. This whipped cream, matcha whipped cream. You can definitely picture getting this at a bougie coffee shop. And it's just kind of fun to be interactive and kind of mix your drink around a little. Look at just how luscious that is. Delicious. Now for the chocolate one. There is really no reason to spend absorbent amount of money going to those stylish coffee shops when you can make this incredible, luxurious drink at home and while you're friends. That is really delicious. And these are just two different variations of that incredible Dalgona coffee. Of course, these ones don't have coffee in it, so a little bit of a variation of that whipped coffee. Amazing. And just like that, you have these amazing, delicious, luxurious drinks. Just incredible. I hope you're keeping well during this strange and unique time staying at home, but that is definitely no excuse not to make these luxurious drinks to treat yourself. Just amazing. Remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next episode.